In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show epics on a board in Jira. Jira is a powerful tool widely used for project management, especially in agile environments. Understanding how to display and manage epics can significantly enhance your workflow and ensure that your team stays on track with project goals. Epics are large bodies of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks, allowing for better tracking and management. Let's dive into the process of displaying them on your Jira board. First, navigate to the Jira dashboard. You'll typically find this by heading to your preferred browser and entering the web address of your Jira instance. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options that let you manage and track your projects. Next, look towards the right side of the screen. Here you'll see options labeled either Spaces or Project. Click on this section. This will bring you to a more detailed overview of the projects you're involved in, making it easier to manage different aspects of your workflows. Once you're in the correct section, ensure that you're within the board view. This view provides an overview of different project tasks and how they're progressing along your planned timeline. Being in this view is crucial because it allows you to effectively manage and visualize the different components of your project, including the epics. Now, observe the right-hand side of the interface closely. You'll see a sidebar. Within this sidebar is an option labeled Show Epics. Click on this to reveal all active epics associated with your current board. After clicking on the epics section, you'll be presented with a list. This list contains all the epics that are active within the context of your current board. It's a quick and efficient way to see not just the epics themselves, but also their progress and any related tasks or issues. If you're managing a complex project with multiple epics, this feature can be especially helpful in keeping everything organized and easy to follow. Additionally, within the epics section, you have several options to interact with. You can view details, filter them based on conditions you set, or even make direct changes to how they are displayed. This flexibility helps you tailor the board to meet the specific needs and priorities of your project. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to display and manage epics on your Jira board. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your projects are well organized, more transparent, and effectively driving toward their desired outcomes. Remember, a well-managed Jira board is key to the success of your team's agile process. Thanks for watching and happy managing.